In primetime news this evening, Prime Minister declares bad road situation a national emergency.
We'll explore how the theft and vandalism of streetlights has led to security concerns in Portmore.
And 2 killed in gun attack in Andrews Pen. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Coming up in business news, American Airlines begins a service at Ian Fleming International.
And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thank you, Janella. Well, speaking of bad roads, all roads leads to the National Stadium tomorrow for the Issa Manning Cup final. It's KC versus St. Catherine High. We'll give you more a bit later on.
And I see Romaine chuckling there. Romaine, what is the weather going to be like tomorrow for that big match?
We do have some showers in store across sections of the east for tomorrow, especially the northeast, but we're not ruling out the southeast. We are also expecting windy conditions to continue affecting sections of northern parishes, scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms as well.
Thank you, Romaine. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, describe your driving experience in light of the poor road conditions. I cannot wait to hear the stories.
Should be interesting. Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.